Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is continuation of the Form 2 Maths first term exam preparation. So now this is the last page of your revision notes. But of course we will go back to the previous pages. We skipped a lot. Oh, I know that. I will. So here, how do you find the absolute error? Do you still remember how we did the previous question? Absolute error, this one. If your actual and measurement is having a difference, that difference is called the absolute error. So the big thing minus the small thing. Let's go here as well then. So we find Mary's first. Mary's absolute error. Absolute error will be, let's see, the measured by Mary is 30 degrees. The measured by Peter is 32.7, but the actual one was this. Okay, so let's find the Mary's absolute error. So which number is bigger, this or this? Yes, the bottom one. So big one minus the smaller one. And what do you get? 1.4. Remember to write the unit. So that's the Mary's absolute error. How about Peter's? Which one is bigger? Which number is bigger? No matter which one, you write the big number first and then the smaller one. So bigger number is 32.7 minus the measured one. And what do you get as the answer? 1.3. Remember to write the unit. And the part B, a little bit tricky, but I think some of you can do it. Which one is more accurate? They are having the errors. This one is having the error of 1.4 and this one is having the error of 1.3. So which one do you think is more accurate? Well, the less error that you can get, the more accurate that you are, right? Error means mistakes. So the lesser mistakes that you are having, that means you're more correct. So same goes here. If you have the smaller absolute error, then you are more accurate. So Peter is more accurate than Mary. But is this enough? This should be a 2-mark question. Well, even though I'm writing this, I prefer you can explain a little bit what is 1.3 and what is 1.4. You can write in exam, the absolute error of Peter is less than absolute error of Mary. So Peter is more accurate than Mary. Easy? Good? Shall we try next? Yes, of course. We are here to try all the questions. Come on, right? Now this one. Let's do it slowly. The measured by Mary is 25 degrees. The measured by Peter is this, but the actual one is actually this. So what's the absolute error of Mary? Mary will be, the bigger number is 25 minus the actual one, 22.4, which is 2.6 degree. Don't forget the degree. Click calculator, by the way. Don't use it in your heart. You might get it wrong. Even for 1 plus 1 during exam, use calculators. Okay, that's it. And then for A2. Now, why am I writing A2? This is part A. Part A, this is I, and this is 2. 1 and 2. So, A1 is for the Marys. A2 is for the Peters. Now, Peter is this one, but the actual one is this. So, which one is bigger first of all? Yes, 23.7. And then, what's the answer? 1.3 degrees. Right? Is it? Yes, click calculator. Because sometimes even I can get wrong. Right? That's why I need you to do it together and then let's check. Okay, part B. Which one is more accurate? How do you know which one is more accurate? That means the lesser error that you have, then it means it will be the more accurate. So which one? These are the errors for Mary. This is the error of Peter. So which number is lesser? Of course, 1.3, miss. Come on, we know that much. So that's why the more accurate is Peter. Okay, good. Let's continue. Last question. Yay! So you have Mary 27, you have Peter 25.7, and the actual one was 26.4. So what's the absolute error for Mary first of all? Mary one was 27. This is 26.4. So which one is bigger? 27, of course. And click calculator, you will get the answer as 0.6. Don't forget the unit. If you don't put the unit, I'm not going to give you the mark. Okay, next. Do you know the song? Thank you, next. I forgot who sang it. I forgot. I think it's Ariana Grande. Something like that. Okay, Peter is this. This is the bigger number minus the smaller number. And what do you get there? 0.7 degrees. So can you now tell me which one is more accurate for part B, because it's asking which one is more accurate. Accurate means the lesser error, the lesser mistakes. So which one is lesser mistakes? Of course, the first one. 0.6 is smaller than 0.7. So 0.6 is smaller than 0.7. So this time, luckily, Mary is more accurate. Or else Peter is always more accurate. Okay, cool. That's all for this video. Hope you like it. See you soon for the next videos.